What's up, guys? We are here with Amazon's best-selling drone. Wow. Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
Popeye's out here hanging out in the front yard with us while Amelia takes a nap because we want to fly Amazon's best-selling drone. That's right, if you go to Amazon.com and you type in drone in the search page, this will come up as their best-selling drone. This is the HS110D. We tend to like Holystone products. They do pretty good. Generally, they're overpriced just a little bit, but they have reliable customer service, and the drones themselves are generally pretty good. Well, it's a beautiful day outside. I'm excited to fly this thing, and you guys know the drill. If we like what we see here, we'll take the time at the end of the video and show you everything that comes in the box. Let's see how Amazon's best-selling drone really does. We're gonna start the motors and auto take off. No, there isn't one. There's just, isn't that weird? Engine start and landing, but okay. No auto take off.
Throttle up.
Yeah, throttle up. Well, Popeye likes it. It is a drone. The funny thing is our Wi-Fi signal it's frozen. It's not working at all. I wanna just take a look at that here as we drift away in the breeze. It says it's recording. I think what we'll have to do here, we'll just take about a little break out of this video and see if we can repair this up, because this is a camera drone. If we can't even get the app and camera to work, then we're not off to a great start. So let's try that. I'm just gonna land it.
Trying again. We got it paired back up. And it looks like the signal is working now.
A little bit. Look how choppy that is.
Yeah.
It's frozen.
It's already frozen.
Wow. Okay. Let's just fly this as a drone without the camera, because clearly that's not working. We'll wait till Popeye.
So the app just freezes.
The app just freezes. Now, this is Amazon's best-selling drone. Why? Why? It's over $100. Now, we do have rates, so to fight the wind, I'm going to increase the rates. And it looks like it has 4 rates, which is really nice and snappy. If you guys can see it on the camera, we are getting just a very light rain shower, but nothing that I should be too worried about with this drone. It's fun to fly. It flies really well. The altitude hold works great. Sorry, I'm kind of zipping around quickly, but it does have a flip button and it's labeled, so let's hit that. You just press the button, pick a direction, and it does the flip. Now, hear me out, guys. In the past, we've really liked Holystone. Occasionally, they're overpriced, but generally they have a good product, something you can at least rely on. This, we're still frozen. You guys probably, I don't know if we've taken away the FPV shot by now. We tried to just connect the Wi-Fi without restarting the drone, and that didn't work. So then we completely restarted the drone. Yes. And then reconnected all the Wi-Fi. I closed the apps and so I reopened them and everything. And it worked for, what, 5 seconds? And then it stopped. I have something I'm going to try, and the rain is dying down now. I'm going to hit the photo button on the transmitter because we do have a micro SD card on there. Now, it's possible it could be recording right now. Okay. But I'm going to hit the button and see if it takes a photo. And now, just for... Okay. Let's see if I can get it lined up, line of sight here. Hang on, let's go. Kind of hard to do in the breeze, line of sight with the Wi-Fi. Here we go, 3, 2. Instead of filming. Wait, I'm not ready. Okay. I'm ready. Okay. Now I'm going to press and hold that same button, and we should have video. Now, theoretically, this should work even without the app. Now listen to that transmitter beeping. That should be telling us, hey, we're recording video. That's what that indicator is. I do not like that at all. That's horrible. Why would you want a beeping going on while you're recording video? What's flashing on your Speed 4. It's telling me I'm in Speed 4. Why isn't there a light on here that tells us, if you have all these rates on the transmitter, there should be a light on the transmitter telling you, instead of this awful beep. I don't like that at all. Well, just because I don't like the beep, I'm going to press and hold that button again. If we were recording, theoretically, we'd stop recording now. Held the button for 2 seconds like it says. We also have resync, engine start and landing. We have our trim tabs, and that's it on this drone. The reason we picked it up is 1, because we like Holystone, and 2, because this is Amazon's best-selling drone. If you just go to Amazon.com and you type in drone, D-R-O-N-E, this is Amazon's best-selling. I mean, that should say something. That should be, oh, this is a really great drone. For $100, guys, you can get a drone with brushless motors. You can have way longer flight time.
GPS.
Even a GPS. We've seen drones at $100 with a GPS. When we picked this up is $130. And okay, now I want to tell you guys this while I'm flying it, because we're not going to show you what comes in the box at the end of this, because obviously we're not going to recommend this drone. But the thing that I dislike most about this drone is the battery setup. In order to charge the battery, you have to plug the battery into the drone and then plug a very short provided USB cable into the drone. So let's say you have 4 or 5 batteries. You can't charge them via USB. You'd have to have 5 drones to charge all 5 batteries at the same time. You have to plug the battery into the drone and then the USB cord into that drone. That's a horrible way to charge the batteries. We've only seen that 2 or 3 times out of the 1,000 things we've done on our channel.
It's surprising for Holystone to do that.
I agree. And for their best-selling drone, are there just a bunch of idiots out there buying this? I mean, if you bought this, you just fell under Amazon's best-selling trap, I think, because there are so many other drones that it's worth your money. And I'm just landing this because we need to wrap this up, but I don't know. Even Holystone makes just way better drones, better bang for your buck.
Instead. Go, Popeye, get the drone.
Get the drone, buddy. Here, we'll do engine start and take off. It flies well. It's just that
Oh, you can't reach the drone. That's why.
Yeah. Good job, buddy.
There, now he's got
Yeah, good boy, Popeye.
We'll just
And
watch Popeye.
as I mentioned, I got the yard mowed, although there's still tons of the purple weed flowers. I think I made them grow even more.
I think you did.
I gotta do something about that. They look okay though, don't they?
Yeah.
Isn't that funny how people decide these are weeds and these are flowers? Hey, those purple flowers are pretty if you ask me. Dandelions, on the other hand, I don't know about that. Who out there has ever had dandelion soup? What? I'd like to know. Have you ever had dandelion soup, Abby?
No.
Or dandelion tea?
No.
Then you didn't play outside enough as a kid. Well, guys, before our DSLR battery dies, we're gonna wrap this video up. Again, this is a pass. I'm sorry, Holystone. You do good stuff. This is just not one of them. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye.